morning, dear families, and most importantly, to the graduating class of 2025. I am honored to be invited to such a momentous occasion in your lives, one that will garner like a Facebook with hashtag Proud Mama and Proud Papa, or that's my graduates. Today, I'm not only congratulating you, the completers and the graduates who successfully completed the years of learning in elementary, but I am also congratulating your proud parents, titas, titos, and your dear teachers who have been waiting for this special achievement. Before I proceed with my speech, may I request you completers and graduates to please stand, and together let us honor the people behind your success. Ikaw yung graduates and completers na kilala nyo sila mama yung, si papa yung, si lolo yung, yan ay naano sa teachers nila yung babayo. Ay, thank you. Kilala sa mama yung, babayo di. Thank you mama, thank you daddy. Thank you ma'am and sir. Teachers you. Thank you kayo mo ng teachers you. Kayo. Okay, so now let us clap our hands for our dear graduates. Lubang Daida, magtatapos na kayo mag-celebrate ng success ako. Okay, so you may now take your seat. Okay, so na medyo nervous ako. So okay lang ay man-nervous ako after sa celebration. Mga kay tayo na. Now, damagang po graduates siya, completers. Ay kayo ay face the life challenges. About din completers, ay kayo ay face din life challenges. Unto dali completers ako. Okay, so very good. So okay, well, so 21 years ago kananday, kamandasamot lang napadasa. Naragsak excited, but at the same time, umugyata. Nang gabot talay dito kayo once bilang. In papati kay nakituloy si mga Tracy Sisters of Mary School, sila ang kabitin. Grabe din yung si kong naunggay mamis ko sila mama, si daddy, kaya nakakagsat ko. Nung gaputa, lahat kayo mag-graduate si high school, si Dwayne, nananusak at kapit-mut lang di kararan. Si mga kami guards si Dibugyas, but luckily na-enroll lang si Benguet State University. Na-apply mo lang sa scholarship ko under the NCIP, tapos nakita mo lang si extracurriculars like contract. Tapos siya mo lang din nadadala si group dance, dramatics, na din. Tapos after how many years, si Ligert, na-apply in God's, nakagraduate na in God's grace. And then, in-try mo lang din ako sa Thailand in God's grace. Then naalak mo lang sa as high school teachers in first high school ko. Then after how many months, in-try ko din lang ako sa Bangkok at latong din na nadwani wadak sa mga sorosoro si kindergarten 1. Sure. So, wani na madam ay lalaki din masteral ko sa Ifugao State University. Ito nga, di kaman may advice ko na kayo, ay hoping. Tapos istorya din ang spilang, tandayigat kayo madayo si pamilyahan. But, bakon din pinarigat ibiyag, di lakot ay, bakon lakot sinay araw-araw ako. And then, but, sapay ko mata rin panadalag ko nan para sa biyag uray man do sinay kinarigat di biyag ako kat bakon say kanakord ka na bakon say napud yara pa ako. The lesson learned here is in everything you do it with passion and give it your best. If you face failures in life, stand up and believe in yourself that you can do it. Also enjoy your life, appreciate yourself, family, and friends. Above all, don't forget God. Adi ang nilingan ay man, adi akong nilingan ay man karara ginako Diyos oras sa may kinarigatibya that amot ko ay ma-overcome ko daling struggles in life. So once again, congratulations to the graduating class of 2025. May your future be filled with joy, success, and fulfillment. I wish you all the best as you embark on this new chapter. May your dreams come true and may you continue to make a positive impact on the world. As what I've said, bakit kinarigat ibiyag, dilambod sinarap ako. And thank you for your attention and for allowing me to be part of your special day. Salamat.